Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see app registration. When you create a new app, when you create a new agent, it creates the app registration in Azure AD or Entra ID. Then we see the settings, security settings in Copilot Studio agent. Let's get started. So I'm going to create a new agent. Skip to configure on the top right. So the agent name is called intro bot. Probably we'll save version 1. This is introduction bot. So then click create. But before I click create, then I log on to portal.azure.com. Then I'll go to Microsoft Entra ID. And inside the Entra ID, then you can see the app registrations. Click on app registrations, and you can't see the app registration name called intro bottom. So when I click create here, so it takes around 30 seconds to 1 minute, depends on the speed in the backend. Now go to Microsoft Azure, then refresh the screen. Now you can see intro bot version 1 created. So by default, Microsoft creates this app registration. Then it has some few settings in it. Let me open the Microsoft URL to go through further. So this is a Microsoft URL, learn.microsoft.com. How Copilot Studio automatically creates an app registration, and what is app registration? How does this Studio app registration works? Is app registration is secure? So it has some kind of information. Then go through this URL, please. Microsoft Copilot Studio requirements dash certificates dash configuration values. Then um, so if you go to the registration, then if you go to certificates and secrets, now you can see some federated credentials here. So Microsoft has given some explanation in their website, just to go through these ones, when to use them and how to use them. But there are no API permissions at this point of time. Then I did not see any other stuff. So once the app registration is there, then let's say, for example, as I said previously, when you create a agent, then it has some topics created by Microsoft by default. So you can see there are some custom topics, and another one is a system topics. So we will discuss about these ones later. But in so there is a topic name is called greetings. Inside the greetings, then there are some phrases like good afternoon, good morning, hey, hello, and etc. So now this is to test your agent. So if this window does not appear, then click on the top right, then to get this, then refresh it, then say one of the keyword hey, for example. So hello, how can I help you today? So when someone types the phrases like one of these phrases, then how you want the bot to respond. So this is how it responds. Now if you go to the app registration, now you have seen this app registration for uh, intro bot 1. Now the main thing is basically, if I go to the settings, then security, so click on security, authentication. So by default is set to authenticate with the Microsoft, but now I'm going to change to no authentication. So then click save. This is not at all recommended, just only for demo purpose that I'm using this. Then click save. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel Tech with the Gang. Then you can find me youtube.com/@Tech with the Gang. Now the changes have been saved. Now you can see this is a grayed out, the save symbol. Then close this window. Now on the top right corner, click on those three dots. Then you can see that option called go to demo website. This option is only available if you use that no security settings at the moment. it won't be available in the Microsoft one, but it will be available in the third option, which is manual authentication. So the site is not yet published. So what we need to do is, once it is saved, then click on Publish Settings and click Publish. This may take a while, probably 1 or 2 minutes. Then I'm pausing this video and then we'll come back. Now the site is published, but there is some warning symbol here, and basically this is there is a risks that are associated with this setting. Then please to be reviewed. Then we know that risk is basically your agent does not require end user authentication, so that is a big risk. So it means that like anyone who has the URL of this agent. So then if I go to demo site now, so this is the URL. So if I copy this, then okay, meanwhile, so let me type here hi. Then you can see hello, how can I help you today? You may be thinking that because I already logged on here with my account, it may be using this a single sign-on. So therefore, I'm going as a like I'm opening Firefox in private mode window. Then previously we copied that URL, then paste the demo site URL. So now there is no authentication, nothing here. Then now type hi. So now you can see hello, how can I help you today? So this is how you when you use a no authentication, this is how it works. Now what we are going to do is, let's say for example, if someone has mistakenly deleted this app registration in the backend, maybe your IT admin guys are doing the cleanup activity and they mistakenly deleted this intro bot v1, then delete. So what happened is, now if you refresh it, then this is gone from this list. However, by default, Microsoft keeps that when you delete any application, that will be there in our deleted container or deleted application setting for 30 days. So you can see that is in you can see that intro bot v1 is here in case if you want to restore it. So now if you go back to the channel, then republish it again, then publish. Let's make a few customization in this one. Okay, so let me close this one. We can close that and still it's publishing. So once this is finished, then we'll go to the topics and then we'll customize it. Yep, the agent is published. Then I'm going to the topics here. So that's a greetings topic. If someone says hello, hi, or something, then I wanted to change something. Is it equal to or hello there? Then save. Click outside of this window. Then if the save button is activated, click save. Then publish the settings. The reason why I wanted to do is so before that you have like a hi, how are you there? How are you? How can I help you today? But this time you have hello there. So it's been published. Now the agent is ready for testing. So then refresh here on the bottom, sorry, on the top right corner. Then here if you say hi or hello, then you should get hello there. So that means that this is working within this Copilot Studio editor. But now if I give this, go to the demo site, then you notice that there is no, previously you have seen hi, I am virtual assistant and then that, but now you can't see it because of that app registration is deleted. So even if you say hi, nothing happens. Hello, nothing happens. Hey, nothing happens. So the app registration is compulsory and we should not modify it. So let's go back to this deleted application. Then go to intro bot v1, then restore this application, restore this app registration. So the app registration is back to in all applications. So in the deleted applications, just to refresh it, then it won't be here. then go to all applications. If it does not display here, then click on refresh. So now go back to your demo site, this one, close it, then go to this application again. Then I don't think you need to publish it again, but I'm just going to test it. Now you can see I did not do any publish. Okay, so all I have done is I just closed this, the demo website URL, the previous one, then I just refreshed it. Now you can see hello there, sorry, hello, I am so and so bot and all. So now if I type hi, then you can see hello there, how can I help you today? So the app registration is very important to keep this chatbot working. So I've shown you the method using deleted application, and deleted application is like if it is more than 30 days, it is permanently deleted. So imagine that like you have a situation that you have identified this issue only after 30 days. Maybe this application is not used every day, maybe the chatbot is not used every day, or maybe various reasons. Okay, then the next method is basically to export this agent as a solution, and then you can re-import it, then that will work fine. I'm going to make another video for exporting agent and creating the solution, and then restore that. Thank you for watching this video.